If it is not audible, please unmute and tell me because this I kept my mobile in the stand. Okay, I cannot see your message. If it's not audible or not visible, please unmute and tell me. Okay, we'll start. First question. The lines representing 2x plus 3y minus 9. 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. R. Which type of lines we have to say? Are they intersecting? Are they perpendicular? Are they parallel or coincident lines? This question paper I have uploaded in the study material. Okay. Now we'll check A1 by A2, 2 by 4, A1 by A2 and 3 by 6, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. So cancel the possibilities. Okay, all three are possible. This is also negative half. So all three are equal. So the condition says A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. So all three are equal means which type of lines this is? Students?
Coincident.
Coincident.
Yeah, coincident. Very good. Coincident lines. Okay. Next. If A1, direct question. If A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 are inconsistent pair, then the ratio of their coefficients is, you must write A1, A2 in that term. When it is inconsistent, yes, tell me, when it is inconsistent, in which condition?
Parallel condition.
Parallel condition, how the ratio will be?
A1 by A2
equals B1 by B2.
is equal to B1 by B2 is not
Equal to C1 by C2. Good. Okay, third question. One equation of a pair of consistent linear equation, 5x plus 6y plus 13 is equal to 0. The second equation can be, so I'll write the equations. First equation is this one, this is y. This is the one equation, first equation. Second options are given. First option is 5x plus 6y plus 13 is equal to 0. Second option is 10x plus 12y plus 16 is equal to 0. Third option is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Fourth option is 15x plus 18y plus 20 is equal to 0. Which may be the answer? First equation is this. Tell me the second equation. Just a minute. Maybe this option is wrong. It may be, I think, 26. 5 2s are 6 2s are 13 2s. Maybe this is option. Option is wrong. If they are given it as 16. Maybe it is 26. And this is the answer. Fourth one, listen carefully and tell me the equation. You must say the equation algebraically. 8 tables and 12 chairs. 8 tables and 12 chairs together cost rupees 48,000. Express the situation algebraically. 8 tables, 12 chairs together cost rupees 48,000. Yeah. Anybody? Equation, you have to say the equation there.
8x plus 12y is equal to 48,000.
Very good. 8x plus 12y is equal to 48,000. It's good. Correct. Next one, you must find the common difference now. The given AP is -4, -2, 0, 2. So on. The given AP is this. Tell me the difference, common difference.
2.
2.
Okay, we'll check. Second minus first. -2, -4. Once again, one more minus is there because A2 minus A1. -2 plus 4. So the answer is 2. Good. Next. Even this is also direct. What is the last term of the AP? What is the last term of the AP? So first term is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, so on, containing M terms. So on, containing M terms. Can anybody? It's direct. We must say the last term, but the last term is M. Anyone?
A plus ND.
A plus M minus 1.
Yes, correct. A plus M minus 1 into D, that is equal to A M. Because here not given N terms, it is given it as M terms. So instead of N, you have to write M. That's all. Okay, next. The 10th term of root 2, root 8, root 18 is. We must find the 10th term. So before going for the 10th term, we need A value and D value. A value is root 2. We must find the D value. What is the value of D here? D is equal to second term minus first term. So open the second term. Root 8 minus root 2 directly, it is not possible. So we can simplify this root. So root into some number. So 4 square number into some number. 4 into 2 minus 4 you take out. 2 root 2 minus nothing is there means it is 1 root 2, is it? So we can subtract the outside number when the inside numbers are same. Inside the root numbers are same. We are calling it as surds in the higher classes. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 root 2. So the value of D is root 2. So now we have to go for the A 10th term they asked. A plus N minus 1 into D. So A is what? Root 2 plus N minus 1. N minus 1 means 10 minus 1. It is 9. D is root 2 once again. Here nothing is there, I said 1 it is there. So root 2 same. So 9 plus 1, 10 root 2 is the 10th term. 10 root 2 is the 10th term. Okay, next question. The sum of first n terms of the series. The sum of first n terms of the series A, 3A, 5A, so on. Sum of first n terms means SN formula, sum of n terms. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So we listen to terms. A is what here? A is A itself. D is what? 3A minus A. 3A minus A. So it is 2A. So n term is n itself. Okay, we substitute. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A only, plus n minus 1. D means it is 2A. So we simplify n by 2, 2A. I'll multiply this plus 2AN minus 2A. So this gets cancelled, plus 2AN minus 2A. Now n by 2, here remaining is 2AN. So this is also 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So remaining is here A and n into n, n square. So a square n is the answer. Sorry, a n square is the answer. Or you can write n square a out. Next one. The common difference of the AP for 20th term is 10 more than the 18th term. The common difference of the AP we must find, for which 20th term is 10 more than the 18th term. 20th term is 10 more than the 18th term. Okay? We'll open this one, we will see what we will get. A plus 19D, that is equal to 10 plus A plus 17D. So both the sides plus A is there, we can cancel it. Or we can bring this side and A minus A is 0. 19D, this D term I will take here, minus 17D, so remaining is here 10. This becomes 2D, that is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 2, gets cancelled and it becomes 5. So value of common difference is 5. Next 10th question. One of the roots of the equation 2x square is equal to 50 is options 2, 4, 3, 5. So is it first x square equal to 50? I'll take this 2 down. That becomes 25. So x equal to square root of 25. Plus or minus is not needed because here negative values are not given. So x equal to 5. X equal to 5. Next 11th question. Discriminant of the quadratic equation. So what is the discriminant? Equation is given as 3x square minus 2x 1 by 3 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Discriminant value b square minus 4ac. So substitute here b is minus 2 the whole square plus 4, a is 3, c is 1 by 3. Now you look at here, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Okay, minus to the whole square becomes plus 4. Here remaining is again 4. So the answer is 8. Oh, sorry, this is minus. Nobody said that. 4 minus 4 is 0. B square minus 4ac. Okay. 12th one. Simple equation, you must write in the standard form. Now tell me, anyone. 8x equal to minus 7x square plus 3. Question is this. The standard form of equation is. Yes, anyone.
7x square plus 8x minus 3 equals 0.
Very good. You take this side, power wise you write 7x square here plus 8x, this coming this here and becomes minus 3 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Next one also, director. The value for C, for which the equation ax square plus bx plus x equal to 0 has equal root. Equation is given it as ax square plus bx plus x equal to 0. This is having the equal root. We must find the value of C here. So we substitute b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4a, c value is here 1. What type of question is given? I don't know. Options they are given b square by a, second option b square by 4a, third option a square by b, fourth option a square by 4b. That's what we will get. 4a I don't know, something is wrong. They ask the value of c, but here already value of c is given, it is 1. On means option is, oh, no, it is x, but the option is not there. I don't know, this question may be wrong. Next we will go. Next, 14th one. Secant a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a is equal to secant a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a equal to. Options are secant a or sin b, cosec a, cos a. Not sin b, sin a only. Okay. Now we'll simplify this. Secant a means 1 by cos a plus tan means sin by cos 1 minus sin a. So cos a is the LCM. So it is 1 plus sin a. Here 1 minus sin a. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. The formula says a square minus b square divided by cos a. 1 square is 1 itself. So 1 minus sin square a is the identity. 1 minus sin square a is nothing but cos square a, cos a. So the answer is cos a. Next one, director. Complementary angle. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to anyone. Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to.
Cos theta.
Okay, next also director. If sin A equal to 1 by root 2, if sin A is equal to 1 by root 2, the magnitude of angle A, this angle A is what? Sin A half, 1 by root 2. What is the angle A? Answer please.
45 degree.
45 degree.
35 degree. Next, 17th one. The value of sin 60, get ready with the values faster, into cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Yeah. Sin 60, value of sin 60.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2, good. Cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Sin 30.
By 2.
Cos 60. Okay. Multiply. Root 3, root 3, root 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3. LCM is 4. Plus 1 into 1, 1, 2, 2 are 4. So LCM is same, so directly add the numerator. So this cancels and the value is 1. Okay, next one, 18th one. If tan theta is equal to 7 by 8. if tan theta is equal to 7 by 8, then the value of 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to. So first we will simplify this one. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Here also a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 itself. 1 minus sin square theta, again it is the identity cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, it is identity sin square theta. Now we will apply the value. Before that we must find out the value. Tan theta, I'll draw here the right angle triangle. I'll take this one as theta. So theta opposite, this tan theta means opposite by adjacent, isn't it? So opposite is 7, adjacent is 8. So what about the hypotenuse? This square is equal to this plus this square. So hypotenuse square is equal to 7 square plus 8 square. 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. 9 plus 4, 13. 1, 6, 7, 11. So h value is root 113. H square is 113. H value is root 113. It's not a square number. So substitute as it is here. Okay. Cos square theta is what now? Now cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. 8 by root 113 the whole square. Whole divided by sin square theta. Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So 8 square is 64, root of 113 square. Whole divided by 7 square is 49, root of 113 the whole square. Root and square gets cancelled, root and square gets cancelled. And this also gets cancelled completely, denominator and denominator. So remaining is here 64 divided by 49. That is the answer. Next. Nineteenth one. From a point on the ground, which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is the tower. This is the foot of the tower. The 15 meters away from the foot of the tower, there is one point. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. Angle of elevation is formed to the top of, this is the top of the tower. Angle of elevation is found to be 60 degrees. The height of the tower is. So this is theta means this is the opposite, this is the adjacent. So opposite by adjacent means we must go for the tan angle. Tan 60 equal to, we don't know, we'll name it as ABC. AB divided by BC is 15. Tan 60 value is what? Root 3, no?
Root
Am I
3.
correct? Yeah. AB by 15. So do the cross multiplication. This is 15 root 3 is equal to AB. 15 root 3 meter is the answer. Next one.
Teacher, video is not clear.
Is it others? What about others? Is it clear?
No.
Just I'll go back and come. Now? Now can you see? Can you see now?
No.
No, teacher.
Now? Now also can't see?
Now it's
Is it
visible.
visible? Okay. Okay, 15√3. Next question. The coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 4, 7 are. Coordinates of the midpoints of the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 4, 7 are. So formula, midpoint formula, P of x, y is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. Now, x1, y1, x2, y2. 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2, 6 by 2, 10 by 2. So, 3, 5 is the midpoint. Next, the distance between the points. The distance between the points 2, 3 and 6, 6 is. Distance formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So, x2 minus x1, 6 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 3 the whole square. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 square is directly I'll do. 4 square is 16. 6 minus 3 is 9. Sorry, 3. 3 square is 9. So root 25 that is equal to 5 units. 5 units is the answer. Next one. That is question. The distance of the point 5, minus 2. Tell me the answer now, anybody. 5, minus 2. From x-axis is the distance of the point 5, minus 2 from x-axis is. Yeah. What is the distance?
2 units.
Distance. 2 units.
2 units.
Don't write. Yeah, 2 units. From the x-axis it is minus 2. So 2 units. Okay, don't write minus 2. The distance gap is asked. So we have to write 2 units. Next. What is the area of the triangle formed? What is the area of the triangle formed by the points? The points are 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 4. Area of the triangle. Formula A is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3 y1 minus y2. Now half. So x1 is 0. So this complete set becomes 0. No need. x2 is 3. This side skip because x1 is 0. x2 is 3. y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. 4 minus 0 is 4. Plus. Once again x3 is 0. So complete set becomes 0. No need. Here. 4 3 is 12 by 2. 6. 6 is the answer. Next also direct question. Give me answer. In a distribution, more than type and less than type, ogive are intersecting at a point 15, 20. Ogive are intersecting at a point 15, 20. Then the value of median is.
15.
15. So the x-axis points will be the median. Now one more question. It's also direct, but so depends. If you want to do the calculation. The class mark of 30 minus 45 is. Class mark means midpoint of the class interval. Remember the one more name, it is class mark. Midpoint of the class interval. Yeah, tell me. What is the midpoint of the class interval here?
37.5.
37.5. How to do? Add these two. 30 plus 45. Two numbers you have added, so divided by 2. So it is 75 by 2, that is 37 point. Next to the formula of central tendency. Not formula, hereafter. In the following, below the measures of central tendencies are. The following below the measures of central tendencies are. First option, mean, mode, standard deviation. Second option, range, median, mode. Third one, range, mean, mode. Fourth one, mean, mode, median. Which is the answer?
Mean, mode, median.
Mean, mode, median are the central tendencies. Next, 27th question. In the triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter and AC equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Then angle B is 120 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. Six root 3, AC 12, AB 6. So, which may be the answer? We check the Pythagoras first. Bigger square is equal to other two number square. Don't know? If we can check. 144. 6 square is 36. Root 2 becomes 2. 6 square is 36. 6 2 are 12. 6 1 7. It's not Pythagoras. The triangle angle B is.
Teacher, 6 root 3 square.
Okay. Now you can see now. 6 3 is 18. 6 is 9. Yes. Then it is Pythagoras, right? So angle B is 90 degrees. Good. 28 question. Similarity. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. This is 1.513. Asked is EC. So write the ratio AD by DB. 1.5 divided by 3. AE by EC. 1 by EC. So I can cut here. 0.5 is equal to 1 by EC. So you take this one here, this one here. EC is equal to 1 by 0.5. I'll remove the point by multiplying 10 because the answer is in the full number. 10 why? Because after the decimal point 1 digit is there. So 10 for up and down. 10 by 5, the answer is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. One more question. 29th question. Another name for basic proportionality theorem.
Thales theorem.
Thales theorem.
Yes, Thales theorem. Here, look at the diagram. Maybe this is 3 root 2. 3 root 2, I think. This is the 6 root 2. The similarity criterion used for the similarity of the given triangle shown below. Which is the similarity criterion used here? Which may be the similarity criterion used here. Here 3 root 2 double, 6 root 2, 3 can't. 5 double 10. This is 7 given. 5 angle not mentioned here. Maybe it is side angle, I think. Here the angle they must mention because third side is 5 and 7 is given. 3 and 7 is given. It's not possible. Otherwise, it may be 6. Question may be wrong, I think. Slight mistake is there. Either they should mention angle or that 7 becomes 6. Okay, we'll go for next one. It is wrong, I think. Now here, area of the triangle is given. Not area of the triangle, something is given. Okay. The area of the similar triangle is 144 and 81. So I'll take first area of triangle ABC, that is 144. Area of the triangle DEF is 81. I will take. Longest side of the largest angle is 36. Longest side of the largest angle is 36. No, 36. What is the smaller triangle? This is ABC, so it is BC. This is DF, so it is EF. I will take EF square. This both square, I'll bring this and take the square root of these two numbers. This is 12 by 9, 36 EF. EF I'll take here, 9 I'll take here. EF into 12, that is equal to 36 into 9. So EF is equal to 36 into 9 by 12. 3 3s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 9. So EF is equal to 9 3s are 27 centimeter. This is the answer. Next, 32. In the figure BC, yeah, tell the answer.
Chord.
Chord. BC is a chord. Such as 2 points in the circle. Area of two concentric circles 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Length of the chord and of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Hmm. What is the length of the chord? Concentric circle means in the same center. Can anybody? Just imagine the circles, how it becomes.
8
Length of the chord on the. How much? Just draw the circle yourself with
8
the
centimeter.
8 centimeter. Two concentric circles. First circle is 5 centimeter radius. 5 centimeter radius. One concentric circle from here only. Second circle becomes 3 centimeter. Maybe comes like this. Now they asked the length of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is. Of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is. Chord I will draw here. Like this it will come. How much? 5 plus 8 plus.
So join that and we should apply Pythagoras theorem.
Okay. We'll apply. This becomes how much radius now? 3. Here it is 5. 5 square is equal to 3 square plus x square. 25 minus 9 is equal to x square. 25 minus 9 is 6. 4 centimeter is the answer. 4 centimeter is the answer. Okay.
It's 8
Teacher, both
centimeter.
side. Both side
Huh?
we should add 4 plus 4. 4 plus
Yeah,
4
4
we
plus-
should add.
Yes, good. 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter. Correct. Okay. Now, I think enough here. 33 questions are over. 34th we'll do tomorrow. So, I don't know about next class. There is meeting in the school. Are they taking or are they giving some works? I don't know. Okay. Thank you. 22 students are present today. Okay, thank you.